Discover the P3 Type-C thermal camera from Aliexpress, the ultimate tool for electronics repair and precision thermal imaging. Designed for Android and iPhone devices, this compact camera delivers a high-resolution 512 by 384 infrared sensor with an adjustable 8mm macro lens for detailed PCB inspections. Detect leakage as low as 1 mA and measure temperatures from -20 to 600 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of plus or -2 degrees. Capture stunning thermal images and 4K video with USB connectivity and enjoy advanced features like picture-in-picture mode, burn protection, and customizable temperature alarms. The Temp Master App allows real-time analysis, offline editing, and professional report generation with 2D and 3D tools. Choose from 12 color palettes and use isotherm mode for precise heat mapping. Built with a durable metal design, this thermal camera is lightweight, portable, and perfect for on-the-go diagnostics. Whether you are repairing electronics, inspecting circuits, or analyzing heat distribution, the P3 thermal camera delivers unmatched clarity and performance. Order now from AliExpress and take your repair skills to the next level.